find a good way to let it up.
What's up guys, it's Carrie 3% Technology. So for this video, it's going to be a different one. I wasn't really expecting to make one of these type of videos, but it's going to be 3D printing and coronavirus stuff that's going on really this first half of the year. So this is going to be probably one, maybe two videos. I'm not sure how it's going to work out. So this first one is going to be sort of like an intro, State of the Union, what's going on type video. And then depending on the reaction we get to it, well, maybe a second one or something like talking to a doctor about what to print, what not to print, or where everything's progressed to. But we'll have to see how this first one goes. So lately, I've been seeing a lot of face shields, and this is all related to the coronavirus outbreak. I'm sure everybody knows of it by now. It's shut down all of these big events and canceled classes and incorporated remote work and stuff like that. I won't go into all of that. So some of the stuff we've been seeing is these 3D printed face masks or sneeze shields, whatever you want to call them. They don't really work. They don't really prevent you from getting the virus. It just acts like a sneeze shield, I guess. And then I've seen 3D printed respirator masks. I've seen one maker use a 3D printer to turn the Z-axis into some sort of a DIY ventilator. And then there's countless YouTubers and makers, Instagrammers showcasing their 3D printing efforts doing this, mainly in the face mask sneeze shield area. And then there's some few other ones like Co-Create or these printer farms doing more face mask printing, I guess. So I guess the goal of this video is to give everybody a State of the Union where 3D printing is at with the coronavirus. Maybe sort of what events are going on, where you can donate money if you don't have a 3D printer, where to send the face mask shields, where you can donate stuff, how you can help out, sort of a trying to get a concentrated effort on one organization or idea, if that makes sense. And then going over where you can find the STL files for the different objects, the most popular ones like Priestess face mask. So that's the plan for the video. So we'll start off with just Googling it, and then get into the STL files, doing the donating money stuff, and we'll just see where it goes from there. So here is Priestess website. It has a Priestess face shield for the coronavirus. They were one of the first companies to design and produce an STL file for this face mask, sneeze shield, face guard thing. Because the main website would be on, well, it'd be where the community tab used to be at. But Priestess has some good information. They have the STL file, I believe, assembly instructions, and some resources about where to donate, how to build it, like frequently asked questions type stuff at the bottom of the page. If I can recall, this is one of the first companies to make an STL file for this design. There may be one or two more other ones, but there's pretty early in the process. Another interesting 3D printing project that I've seen is people 3D printing testing swab sticks for this virus. It's a New York City based group. It's doing about 2,000 per day. Pretty much just the swab. Not sure if there's anything on the end or not to correct the sample, but it's an interesting concept and idea. One of the more innovative approaches I've seen Delta style and Prusa style 3D printers using the Z-axis as a sort of ventilator, pushes down the accordion bag thing to create a ventilator. Here is an article that I found. It says NIH approves certain facial design for the hospitals, and NIH is the National Institute of Health. Not sure how far the reach goes, if you're like the CDC or World Health Organization, but it'll be a good article to check out if you plan on making some face shields, just to make sure they get approved. Print.nih.gov. Here we'll do a general Google search for 3D printing coronavirus. As you can see, some of the top stories and websites is mostly filled with the face shield, sneeze guard things. Then we'll go to the news and images to see what's going on. Okay, so here's some of the face masks. See the different styles of them. And there's the 3D print testing strips and some of the respirator top masks. And you can see some 3D print door handle stuff that might not work. Then here's Joe Tong's video about coronavirus and 3D printing as well. And then there's another respirator mask. So there's some different stuff going on. And of course, we gotta check out Thingiverse and my manufacturer to see any coronavirus COVID related designs going on. And Thingiverse has a banner at the top of the coronavirus stuff, topics and STL files. So we'll go through some of these. Also, this might help out better than 3D printing door handles, as well as contact surface. And there's been a lot of stuff going on Instagram lately. So it's doing a 3-print hashtag search, most recent. And as you can see, it's going to be quite a bit of facials popping up. That's like the majority of prints lately, I guess. And the last three will check out GoFundMe, specifically relating to 3-printing stuff. Because I'm assuming some people have made some campaigns to help out with these supplies, like filament and face straps, I think, for these shields, or ones that do use it. But this isn't a complete list of all the 3-printing stuff going on during this time. I'm sure there's other stuff, but this is the most stuff that I've found. Okay, so this is just some of the stuff I've come across and Googled and found, or I've seen on Instagram. There's obviously more stuff, like in the tailings video that I pointed out. But if you guys want to make another video about this, maybe trying to interview a hospital worker or someone that knows what they're looking for in these type of masks and stuff, or just doing like community interviews or something like that, leave a comment on this video, or there may be a post on 3Brand Technology's Instagram account that has some info on that. But that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. It's just basically a how-to. It's just basically a State of the Union, what's going on, intro type video. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. If you'd like to be on the latest videos first, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.